So here's two ways of how I would make a sloped walkway in Rhino. So if you're coming right from CAD, this is probably the easiest way, is just um, to get the topography, make that into a surface with patch, and then you can project this onto that surface. Usually I'll use split though, and that'll just split this into two different surfaces, and then you can assign them a different texture in Lumion. Another way, if you want to have this be a very specific slope, like 5% or whatever, um, you can calculate that in AutoCAD and then use the flow command. And to do that, I figure out the difference between the highest and lowest points. So in this case, it's 14 feet. So I'll make a line that's 14 feet high. And then I'll just make a triangle like this. And this slope here is 14 feet high, and I just want to flow it along the center line of this curve. So to get the center line, I would do tween curves, and then I would do flow. So select the object, and then make sure stretch is on yes, and rigid is on no. And then I'd select the base curve, and then the target curve, and then you have your slope. And I'll just offset that on both sides to get the path. And there's a lot of control points, so I'm going to do rebuild to simplify those a little bit. And then you can just do edge surf to make an edge or make a surface between these two lines, and then you're done. And if you want to connect this to the topography, you can just do patch and then select the surface edge instead of just the curve. And then if you do that and have adjust tangency selected, it will align, um, it'll have these two surfaces tangent to each other, so it'll align a lot better. And you're done.